So number one, they lied to you about how to get rich and you believed it. Work hard, save money. Work hard, save money, buy a house, retire at 65. That advice is poverty programming. It was designed to make you predictable, complain, com- compliant, yes. That advice is poverty programming. It was designed to make you predictable, compliant, and average. Meanwhile, the rich, they don't save, they invest. They don't work hard, they build systems. They don't climb the ladder, they own the goddamn building. And you're still out here cutting coupons and watching goddamn Netflix. Wake the fuck up. The system isn't broken, it's rigged. Come and wake up and I'll show you how to get out of the system today.